Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on your notes. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm just going to jump into my notes here. You can see my notes font size has been set to this. So if I want to go ahead and increase this font size, I need to go back, head over to my settings app, now scroll down and you'll see display. So go ahead and click into display. Navigate lower and look for font size and style. Go ahead and click onto font size and style, and then right at the bottom of the page here we've got font size. We can change this left to right, so left will make the font size smaller and right will make it larger. So have a play around with what size you want to set it at. I'm going to set it to the second largest. Now I'm going to head back to my notes and it should be changed accordingly. Well, there you go, my font size in my notes has been changed to the one I've set it in my font size and style.